Hello kids, welcome to littleyTV. So kids, our today's topic is multiplication table and we will learn table of 13. So let's start. 13 1 is 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 65. 13 6 are 78. 13 7s are 91. 13 8s are 104. 13 9s are 117. 13 10s are 130. So kids, it's time to repeat it one more time. 13 1 is 13. 13 1 is 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 65. 13 5s are 65. 13 6 are 78. 13 6 are 78. 13 7s are 91. 13 7s are 91. 13 8s are 104. 13 8s are 104. 13 9s are 117. 13 9s are 117. 13 10s are 130. 13 10s are 130. So kids, thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow with table of 14 video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.
Little TV. Watch, play, learn.